Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration JT52DAD. Mitsubishi L200 Double Cab DID 178 Barbarian 4WD Auto. It has done 101,000 miles with full service history. It has 4-wheel drive. The truck comes with alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, parking sensors, heated seats, full leather seats, tow bar, reverse camera. A great example of the Mitsubishi L200. This durable pickup boasts a full-service history along with the benefit of a tub canopy. Its stunning blue paintwork makes this one an eye-catcher. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale, part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.